Hello student, today we will discuss integrals of some particular function. Integration of dx upon x square minus a square equal to 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a. Integration of dx upon x square plus a square equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. Integration of dx upon a square minus x square equal to 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c. Fourth one, integration of dx upon square root of x square minus a square equal to log x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. Fifth one, integration of dx upon square root of a square minus x square equal to sin minus x upon a plus c. Sixth one, integration of 1 upon root a square plus x square equal to log x plus root a square plus x square. Okay. Dear student, I will tell you the learning technique of these all six integrations. Okay, if there are three without roots and three with root. In a without root, the second one is well known. As we know that differentiation of tan inverse is in the form of 1 upon 1 plus x square. So therefore difference integration of dx upon a square plus x square is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. And fifth one is also well known since as we know that differentiation of sine inverse x equal to 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. Therefore, integration of dx upon root a square minus x square equal to sine inverse x upon a plus c. Now rest 4. If there is no root, so the integration of this one will be in the form of 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a. You have to keep one point in your mind that x will always positive. For this one, dx upon a square minus x square 1 upon 2a log a plus x. X is positive upon a minus x. For with root, integration of square root of 1 upon square root of x square minus a square equal to log x plus, you will copy the same thing here. Same way for this. Now, I will tell you how to prove it. I am telling you the first one. By reference of this, you can prove by your own rest part. Okay. Since 1 upon x square minus a square equal to 1 upon x minus a plus x plus a. You have applied the formula of a square minus x square. Right? Now, you can change the numerator after subtracting x minus a from x plus a. X plus a minus x minus a upon x minus a into x plus a. Right? You are getting here 2a, so you will multiply by 2a also to balance this one because you want to get this. You are modifying this into this. Right? Now you will separate it after dividing by the denominator. You will get 1 upon 2a, 1 upon x minus a minus 1 upon x plus a. Now integrating both the side, 1 upon 2a integration of this one plus minus integration of this equal to 1 upon 2a log x minus a minus log x plus a. Log a minus log b equal to log a minus a upon b. So final answer will be 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Now the integration of type this. Right? The method will be same if it will be with root or without root. Means we are integrating a quadratic equation of form this dx upon ax square plus bx plus c. At first you will just convert this one into the completing square. Completing square means as we are well known from class 10th, at first we'll make unit to the coefficient of x square. For doing this I will take a common, so dx upon x square plus b upon ax, right, plus c upon a. Okay, now what is the coefficient of x? B upon a. At first you will okay, you will make half of the coefficient of x, which is b upon 2a. You will add and subtract the square of b upon 2a, then you will get this, and finally taking first three term, it will be the completing square x plus b upon 2a whole square and c upon a minus b square upon 4a square. This will integrate, then we will integrate it by substitution method. Let us understand the same concept by help of this particular example. Dx upon square root of x square minus 6x plus 13. Now what is the coefficient of x here? 6. Half of this 3. You will add and subtract the square of 3 here now. First 3 terms will make the completing square plus 13 minus 9 means it means I think there will be 13 minus 9 will 4. 4 means 2 square. Now you will apply the substitution method, let x minus 3 equal to t and dx equal to dt. Now this will convert into dt upon square root of t square plus 2 square. Now you will apply this formula since dx upon square root of x square plus a square equal to log x plus root x square minus plus a square. So by help of this, log t plus root t square plus 4 plus c equal to log x mod of x minus 3 plus root x minus 3 whole square plus 4 plus c, right? Okay. Question number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of exercise 7.4 are identical with this question, right? Okay. I am solving question number 12 out of these questions. Integration of dx upon square root of 7 minus 6x minus x square. At first I will take common minus. At first I will take minus common. What will be inside the bracket? It will be x square plus 6x minus 7. It is a proper quadratic equation. The rest of the process will be like as the previous question. After completing the square, I will get the form is like this. Now I will apply the substitution method and I will get the final form is this, which is like as dt upon square root of dx upon square root of a square minus x square equal to sin inverse x upon a. So you apply this formula and sin inverse t upon 4 plus c, sin inverse x plus 3 upon 4 plus c. Okay. So thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.